Now we have second part of the question number second. So it is also same like first part. Fine. So here we have dividend two t raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Now we have divisor t square minus 3. So it is not necessary that you will always get the variable x. Fine. We can also get all the alphabets, any alphabet. Fine. Now same process. 2t raised to the power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. Now we will write divisor here. T square minus 3. Now the steps are same. Step first. So step first is we will divide this first term of the dividend by the first term of divisor. So 2t raised to the power 4 upon t square. So we will get 2t square. Now this 2t square we will write here. So 2t square. Fine. Now this 2t square will be multiplied by this divisor. So t square minus 3. Fine. Now 2t square multiplied by t square, so we will get 2t raised to the power 4. 2t square multiplied minus 3, so we will get minus 6t square. Now this we will write here below. So 2t raised to the power 4 and we have minus 6t square, means we don't have a term has power 3. So we will write here minus 6t square and below here we will put the 0. Fine. Now both the terms are equal. These the first term equal in both the polynomial. So now we will multiply these all the terms with the negative. So this will minus, minus, plus. Fine. So 2t raised to the power 4 can be cancelled by minus 2t raised to the power 4. Now 3t cube minus 0. So we will get 3t cube. Now minus 2t square plus 6t square. So positive 4t square. Now this term minus 90. So come here. Fine. Now step second. Step second. Same. First term 3t cube will be divided by the first term of divisor t square. So we will get 3t. Now this 3t we will write here plus 3t. Now second time what we will do, this 3t will be multiplied by this divisor. So t square minus 3 is equal to 3t multiplied by t square. So this will be 3t cube. 3t multiplied by minus 3. So this will be minus 9t. Fine. Now this we will write here. So we have 3t cube and we have the term have the variable only t. So 9t. Now here we will put 0. Fine. Now these two terms and these two terms are equal. Now we will multiply these all the terms with the negative sign. So we will get minus, minus, plus. Fine. So 3t cube can be cancelled by minus 3t cube. 4t square minus 0. So this will be 4t square. Minus 90 can be cancelled by plus 90. So we have only 4t square. Now the step third. Step third. And we have also one term minus 12 we will write here. So step third. We will divide this first term 4t square by this first term 3 square. So we will get 4. Now this 4 we will write here. Fine. Now this 4 will be multiplied by this whole the divisor. So t square minus 3 is equal to 4 multiplied by t square. So this will be 4t square. Now 4 multiplied by minus 3. So we will get minus 12. Fine. Now this we will write here below. So 4t square and minus 12. Both the terms are equal. We will multiply these both the terms with minus sign. So we will get minus and here plus. Now 4t square can be cancelled by minus 4t square and minus 12 can be cancelled by plus 12. So we got remainder 0. Now we got remainder 0. That means gx is a factor of, gt is a factor of ft. Fine. So we will write here remainder is equal to 0. So gt is a factor of ft. Okay. Now if in any condition you will not get 0, you will not get remainder as 0. So that means gt is not a factor of ft or gx is not a factor of fx if you will not get remainder as 0. So I think you understood.